Hello everyone. So many students ask about the objective type question. So I have one practice test so that I'm going to explain so you will get idea. So and I'm going to send this link in description box so you can practice this test also. This one is here email your name and division is mandatory. Okay, so first question what we are having, we have 15% of 120 rupees. So what how will you solve this type of questions? We already solved in class. What you can do, suppose you want to find out 20% of 400 rupees. Okay, so how can you solve this? You have to convert this one, this sign into 100. So how can you convert 20 upon 100? This of means multiply it by 400. Okay, cancel this 0, 4 into 2 you will get 80. So this one answer will be 80 rupees. So by this method you can easily find out this question's answer. I'm not solving these question because you are going to solve. I'm going to send the link of this practice paper so you people are going to solve this. So that's why I'm not solving this one, so you have to try. Okay, and then the next question we are having square root of 25,000. So how can you find out square root? Suppose you have 64,000 and you want to find out square of this. So what will you do? Take for this 20, take 10, 10, and this one is the square root of 8. So your answer will be 800. So by this method you can easily find out the square root of this. And then the next one is cube of -6. Okay, so what you can do, you can multiply -6 into -6, 6 into -6. Okay, so you can easily find out. Then the next question is dash is a parallelogram in which all sides are equal and diagonal bisect each other. So this thing belongs to quadrilateral properties. So you should know about the properties of a quadrilateral, properties of rhombus, properties of rectangle. So you can solve this type of question easily. And then next question we are having p raised to 4 minus 256. Okay, so how will you solve this type of question? uh, Belongs to factorization chapter. So in that, how can you solve this problem? Suppose x 9x square minus 20 27, take 81 is given. Okay, so how can you solve this problem? So what you can do, you can write this question as 3 square, you can write this one x square, this one you can write 9 square. Okay, now what we can do, we can write this one as 3x square minus 9 square. Now this one is look like a square minus b square, and you know the formula very well that a square minus b square is nothing but what? You can write a plus b and a minus b. This is the formula of a square minus b square. So here we can use the formula, and what we can do, we can write 3x plus 9 one time and then change the sign and write it. So this is the answer. So here you have to use this formula a square minus b square. So you can easily solve this one. Okay, now the next one is factorize. Okay, you have to factorize this one. So that means you have to take a common factor. Okay, so how can you take a common factor? What will you do? So this question is a very simple question, and you can easily find out which number we can take and which alphabet we can take common, and that you have to write, and this one you have to solve. Okay, So hint I am giving. And then the 10th question we are having, you have to find out the common factor. You know very well how to find out common factor. The number and the alphabets which are common, that you have to find out. Okay. And then the next question we are having, cube of 3b. Suppose you want to find out cube of any number, so what you have to do, you just have to multiply that number 3 times. Okay, suppose I am having suppose I have 5. Okay, and I have z. Suppose I have z square. Okay, and I want to find out it's a square, it's a cube. Okay, so how can you find out its cube? So first what will you do, you have to multiply. Okay, what will you do, 5z square multiply by 5z square multiply by 5z square. So you will get what, 5 into 5 into 5, this one you can easily find out 125. Okay, and then this z square into z square into z square, that means total we are having z raised to 6. So by this you can easily solve. Okay, so the next one is, there are 5 oranges in a basket of 25 fruits, and the percentage of orange is. So you have to find out what percentage of x. We have solved one problem where you have to find out the value of x, so that formula you have to apply here and solve this type of question. Okay, so you can answer any type of any of here. Okay, now the next one is data which is disorganized and which cannot be easily interrupted is called as dash. Okay, so here you have to learn the definitions of data handling, so you will get the answer easily. And then the next question we are having a square of 76. You know the quick calculation method very well, and I already sent video of quick calculation method, so you can apply here and you can easily find out the square of 76. Then the next question we are having, if a 5 rupees coin and 2 rupees coin are tossed together, then the probability of getting 2 tail will be. So here how will you solve this example? Here you have to use a probability. Okay, and you have to first find out the probability of 2 coins, and then after that you have to solve this question. Then here same question is given. Second question we already solved. Okay, this one is similar to that, so you can easily find out the square root of this. And then this here this one is nothing but what, x square minus y square. So here you have to apply formula. Okay, and the last question we are having, 3 upon 20 is equal to how much percent. So this one is this question is for you. So students, you have to solve this question and submit it, so I will get to know that you people are able to solve this question or not. So best of luck for your tomorrow exam. Okay, so have a good day and practice all the questions we have solved in class. Okay, so have a good day. Bye everyone.